Let's see how you can easily create a Telegram AI chatbot using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have already connected the Telegram chatbot account as well. So if you're wondering how to connect a particular Telegram chatbot within our platform, you can simply click on channels over here. Here, if you scroll down, you can see Telegram, and here you also have a helpful guide on how to connect the Telegram as well. So if you go to the help center, you can actually locate that particular guide, or you can easily click on learn more to locate that guide as well. So here I am in the help center. Let me open Telegram automation. So here, to create a Telegram AI chatbot, you have to first simply create a bot on Telegram bot father account. So here, open the bot father in Telegram, create send new bot message over there, and after that you have to create your own bot account. So here we have created a bot named as Democratic Media Bot. So likewise, you can actually create any bot name for your business. So once you create that particular bot name, that particular bot account, you can simply grab the API token and use that API token to connect it on our platform. So here we already have done that particular step, so that's why you see this particular Telegram Democratic Media Bot is connected over here. So we now let's see how to build an AI chatbot for your business. So let me go to the flows section over here, and in flows let's use a free template, all free templates, and here we can use this particular template, AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template. So let me make a duplicate of this particular template, so we can actually keep the original as it is. So I just duplicate this one right here. So let me rename this one as Telegram AI Bot and click continue. Alright, so let me open that particular flow we just duplicated. So here you can find instructions on how to use this particular template step by step, and most important thing is that you need to actually duplicate this particular business information right here with your own company information. So here we have some information about a company which is called as a Simal Center for Kids. So here likewise you can actually grab all the information about your business and paste it right here. For example, you can actually use this prompt generator tool where you can simply enter your website address and create a business prompt using the information on your website. So once it is done, you can simply copy paste that particular information right here. So we already have some information as well, and here you can also use these AI triggers. So for example, we have this AI trigger, sign up for the newsletter. So here if you go to this particular business prompt information, we have instructions on how to use these particular AI triggers as well. So for example, if the sign up for the news trigger, it will simply collect a particular customer's full name, email and phone number if they actually interested in VIP offers, discounts or latest updates, news, tips, etc. And also you can also automatically transfer the conversation to the human using this particular AI trigger, contact user to human. So this particular AI trigger, if a customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, it will simply post the AI chatbot and transfer the conversation as well. So you can actually create any AI triggers as you like. So here if you go to the flow section, here you have the option to create any AI triggers as you like. So here connect user to human. So this is how the AI triggers work over here. For example, if you locate the sign up for the newsletter, we can see what's collected or how it's actually set up as well. So here if you click on edit, here sign up for the newsletter allows user to sign up for the newsletter, collect a particular customer's name, email and phone number, and also send a message saying you are now subscribed as well. And another important thing is that if OpenAI fails, it actually send a message saying sorry, something went wrong. But you can actually use any other AI models as you wish and try to generate a response using the same prompt as well. For example, you can use Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek to generate a different response as well if OpenAI fails. But here we send a failed message and also notify the admins as well. So here this is the AI output message sent to the user. So if you want to delay these messages, you can also do that by simply adding this wait delay block just before sending these output messages. For example, let's delay these messages by just 1 second. So here if I do like this, it will every time when a message is sent to the user, it will be delayed by 1 second as well. Simple as that. You have to make this particular flow Telegram AI chatbot as the default flow as well. For that default flow, choose Telegram AI bot. All right, save it. Now we can quickly test how this actually works. So here let me share my phone screen over here. All right, so now let me send a message over there and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here it says, hi Maki, how can I assist you today? What services do you provide? So let me ask this question, what services do you provide, and see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says, IELTS Simal Center for Kids, we offer these other services. So let me say, can I get a discount for the preventive care services? So here I'm asking about the discount. So So here it says, I can provide you with latest updates and offers, including any discounts available. Please share your full name, email, and phone number to sign up for our newsletter. Let me say, my name is John Justin, and my email is john24@yahoo.com. Here I'm providing just my name and email and send this message. So let's see how this actually works over here. So it also simply asks me to provide the phone number so I can complete your sign up. Simple as that. So let me say, my phone number is 917-243-5699. Alright, so let me send a random phone number right here and see how this actually works. So here, as you can see, when I send a phone number, I simply sent this in just a sentence. And likewise, my name and email is just in one sentence. So let's see how this actually works. So it says, you are now subscribed to the newsletter. You will receive the latest updates of us right there. So here, if we go to the unified inbox, so here, you can track all the conversation happened. So here, this is from the Telegram. You see the customer name, email, and the phone number right here. And here you can find all the chats just happened right there. And as you can see here, it says bot is active. So that means this particular conversation is actually handled by the chatbot. So now if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, it can actually transfer this conversation right to the agents as well. So here, let me send a message. Can I talk with an agent, please? So now I ask the chatbot whether I can talk with an agent. So here, as you can see here, the bot is active is gone. So if we go to the human folder, you should see this particular conversation, and it also send me the message saying, I have connected you to a human agent. They will assist you shortly. So now if I send any sort of messages over here, it doesn't generate a response because currently the chatbot is paused and transferred to the human right there. So from this particular omnichannel inbox, a human agent can send any sort of messages for them right here, and they will receive it right there as well. So here, this is the message I sent from this omnichannel inbox, and they have simply received it as well. So after a human agent conclude the chat or finished assisting them, they can actually transfer the conversation back to the chatbot as well. So now if we go to the bot conversation or conversation, we should be able to track this particular conversation again as well. And now if I send any sort of messages over here, so let me say, ask a question. What is your phone number, please? So here I am asking a question, what is the phone number? And currently the bot is active, so that means it will simply respond to us based on the phone number we have provided in the prompt as well. Simple as that. So this is a quick video on how you can easily build a Telegram AI chatbot, but this can simply work on all other connected channels like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, our website, even SMS as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.